Welcome friends to our channel Worth Coins Info. Today, we will talk about a rare and valuable coin that has seen a significant increase in its value due to a small error. In this video, we will discuss the coin's details, rarity, the mistake it contains, and its current price. So, let's dive into the fascinating story of this coin. This coin is famous not only for its unique design, but also for the important messages inscribed on its back. It is about creating yourself, and you cannot become what you want by remaining what you are. These messages encourage us to transform ourselves and shape our own destiny. The coin features the image of a powerful figure resembling a god, with its body emerging from stones, symbolizing the carving of one's fate. The rarity and importance of this coin make it a rare and valuable piece. It was minted in limited numbers, and due to its scarcity, its value has steadily increased over time. Rare coins always hold significant value as they become treasures for coin collectors, and their prices continue to rise. Another reason for this coin's increase in value is the small error it contains. When minor mistakes occur in coin designs, they make the coin unique and rare. This particular error distinguishes this coin from others, adding to its value. Errors in coins are always of great interest to collectors because they make the coins even more valuable. The price of this coin has seen a remarkable rise over time. The value of rare coins continually increases, and this coin is no exception. Its price has significantly appreciated, making it a valuable asset in the market. If you own this coin, you can sell it for a considerable profit. The price of the coin, due to its error, is now quite high in the market. Because of this mistake, the coin's value has reached approximately $50,000 to $100,000. If you have this coin, you can sell it for this price and earn a substantial profit. This price is driven by the coin's rarity, unique design, and the error it contains. Hunting for rare coins is an important and exciting process. When you search for rare coins, you not only increase your collection, but also gain valuable investment opportunities. The process of treasure hunting grants you ownership of rare coins, which only become more valuable over time. If you want to buy or sell this coin, there are several well-known websites where rare coins are bought and sold. Some of the popular platforms include eBay, Heritage Auctions, Coin Vault, Stax Bowers Galleries. These websites are excellent platforms for buying and selling rare coins where you can check the price and sell your coin. So, that wraps up today's video, where we discuss the details of this rare coin, the importance of its errors, and its current price. If you own this coin or want to learn more about rare coins, be sure to subscribe to our channel Worth Coins Info for more fascinating coin information. Thank you friends for watching our video. We hope you've gained some valuable insights from it. Until next time, goodbye.